In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace email campaigns. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Open your browser, go to the Squarespace website, and sign in using your account credentials. If you manage more than one website, make sure you choose the correct site before moving forward. This is important because email campaigns are connected to the specific Squarespace site you are working on, including its branding, audience lists, and campaign settings. Once you are inside your Squarespace dashboard, take a moment to look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This sidebar is where you will find the main tools for managing your site and its marketing features. From here, click Campaigns in the sidebar. This will take you into the area where Squarespace groups its campaign-related tools. After that, select Email Campaigns. This is the section specifically designed for creating and sending marketing emails from your Squarespace account. You may see options related to previous campaigns, drafts, or email marketing features depending on whether you have used this tool before. If this is your first time, the page may look fairly simple, with prompts to help you begin. Now you are ready to create your first email. Click Create to start a new campaign. This begins the process of building an email message that you can send to your audience. Squarespace will guide you into the Campaign Builder, where you can choose the style and structure of the email before adding your own content. Next, select a template that fits your needs. Templates are pre-designed layouts that help you create a polished email without starting from a blank page. Choose one based on the type of message you want to send. For example, you might choose a simple announcement layout, a newsletter-style design, or a promotional template with space for images and calls to action. The goal is to pick a layout that supports the message you are planning to share. Once you choose a template, you can begin customizing the email. Use the editor to adjust the layout, text, and images. Click into the text areas to replace the sample wording with your own message. Keep your content clear and focused, so readers can quickly understand what the email is about. You can also update images to match your brand, your products, or the topic of your campaign. As you work, pay attention to spacing, headings, and the overall flow of the email so it looks clean and easy to read. After your email content is in place, the next important part is choosing who will receive it. Click Add Audience to upload your mailing list or select an existing one. If you already have an audience saved in Squarespace, you can choose it from the available options. If you are uploading a new mailing list, make sure it contains contacts who have given permission to receive emails from you. This helps keep your email marketing professional and compliant with best practices. With your audience selected, move on to your sender information. Set your sender details so recipients can clearly see who the email is from. This usually includes the sender name and the email address associated with the campaign. Use information that looks trustworthy and recognizable to your audience. This helps improve clarity and makes it easier for recipients to identify your business or brand when the email arrives in their inbox. Before sending, take a final moment to review the campaign. Check the content, images, audience, and sender details carefully. Make sure everything looks correct and that the email represents your message clearly. When you are ready, click Schedule or Send to distribute the campaign. If you want the email to go out immediately, choose Send. If you want it to be delivered at a specific time, choose Schedule and set the date and time that works best for your campaign. And that is all there is to it. You have now learned how to get started with Squarespace email campaigns.